Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, sales team want everything in one place. Odoo Sales combines ERP power with built-in CRM to manage the full sales process. Let's break it down. Odoo Sales helps businesses track leads, manage pipelines, create codes, and automate invoicing, all inside one unified platform. Because it connects directly with Odoo's ERP apps, sales, inventory, accounting, and fulfillment stay perfectly aligned. Its flexibility and modular setup making it ideal for businesses that want customization without juggling multiple tools. Odoo Sales brings CRM and ERP together for smoother, smarter sales operation. If you want an all-in-one sales solution in 2025, Odoo Sales offers control, automation, and full business visibility. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.